Hello goal setters, welcome back to our channel Smashing Goals. We're all about empowerment here, and your participation is the magic that makes this community thrive. So, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and share our videos with others who you think would benefit. But remember, while we're all about setting and smashing financial goals, this content is not financial advice. Remember, we are a community here at Smashing Goals. So let's keep growing together. Let's dive into today's topic. So, you're ready to set some financial goals. That's fantastic. Now, what exactly are financial goals? Simple. They are the personal economic targets we set for ourselves. They give purpose to our money and help guide our financial decisions. Now, these goals can be broken down into three categories: short-term, medium-term, and long-term. Short-term goals are ones you aim to achieve in less than a year. Maybe you're planning a vacation or want to pay off a credit card. Medium-term goals, on the other hand, span 1 to 5 years. Perhaps you're saving for a down payment on a house or planning to start a small business. Long-term goals are those you hope to achieve in 5 years or more. This could be saving for retirement, your child's education, or even a dream vacation around the world. Whether it's buying a new car, saving for retirement, or anything in between, setting financial goals is the first step to financial freedom. Now, how do you create achievable financial goals? Well, one tried and true method is to use the SMART goal setting principle. If you're not familiar, SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. All these elements are crucial in crafting a financial goal that's not only desirable, but also realistically within your reach. Let's break it down. Specific means your goal is clear and well-defined. Instead of saying, "I want to save money," you might say, "I want to save $5,000 for a vacation." See the difference? The latter gives you a clear target to aim for. Measurable means you can track your progress. If your goal is to save $5,000, you can measure how close you are to reaching it at any given time. This helps keep you motivated and lets you adjust your plan if needed. Achievable means your goal is within your ability to reach. If you're making minimum wage, saving $1 million in a year probably isn't achievable, but $5,000 over a year, that's more like it. Relevant means your goal aligns with your broader financial plans. If you're trying to pay off debt, a relevant goal might be to put a certain amount towards that debt each month. Finally, time-bound means your goal has a deadline. This creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused. And speaking of focus, it's important to create a financial plan to achieve these goals. This plan will guide your actions and keep you on track. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. So create your financial plan and start working towards your goals. But we all know it's easy to get distracted. So how do you stay focused on your financial goals? Well, it boils down to three key elements: discipline, consistency, and motivation. Discipline means setting a plan and sticking to it, rain or shine. It's about making decisions that align with your goals, even when it's hard. Consistency, on the other hand, is about making your financial goals a regular part of your life. It's not about making one big leap, but about taking small, steady steps towards your goals every single day. And finally, motivation. This is the fuel that keeps your financial engine running. Track your progress, celebrate your small wins, and visualize the end result. Seeing your savings grow, paying off a debt, or being able to afford something you've always wanted can give you the motivation to keep going. With discipline, consistency, and a bit of motivation, you'll be smashing your financial goals in no time. So, to recap what we've discussed today, we've navigated the landscape of understanding financial goals and the importance they hold in our lives. We've delved into crafting achievable financial goals using the SMART principle, making them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. We also touched on the crucial aspect of staying focused on these goals amidst distractions. And with that, we wrap up today's topic. Thank you for tuning in, and remember, keep smashing those goals.